Hello, my name is Rondel Dizon, and this video is related to living in the IT era. And today's topic is all about the current trends and emerging technologies.
Technology today is evolving at such a rapid pace, enabling faster change and progress, causing an acceleration of the rate of change until eventually it will become exponential.
However, it is not only technology trends and top technologies that are evolving. A lot more has changed this year due to the outbreak of COVID-19, making IT professionals realize that their role will. What does this mean for you?
It means staying current with new technology trends, and it means keeping your eyes on the future to know which skills you'll need to know to secure a safe job tomorrow and even learn how to get there.
Here are the current technology trends and emerging. First is artificial intelligence as AI or machine learning.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade, but it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work, and play are only in the early stages. AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. Other than that, AI will be used further to analyze interactions, to determine underlying connections and insights, to help predict demand for services like hospitals, enabling authorities to make better about resource utilization, and to detect the changing patterns of customer behavior, be analyzing data in near real time, driving revenues and enhancing personalized experiences.
Second is robotic process automation or RPA.
Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation, or RPA, is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do.
Third is edge computing.
Edge computing, formerly a new technology trend to watch, cloud computing has become mainstream, with major players such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution, but it's no longer the emerging technology trend. Edge is, as the quantity of data organizations are dealing with continues to increase, they have realized the shortcomings of cloud computing in some situations. Edge computing is designed to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to a data center for processing. It can exist on the edge, if you will, closer to where computing needs to happen. For this reason, edge computing can be used to process time-sensitive data in remote locations with limited or no connectivity to a centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data centers.
The fourth is quantum computing.
Quantum computing. Next remarkable technology trend is quantum computing, which is a form of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. This amazing technology trend is also involved in preventing the spread of the coronavirus and to develop potential vaccines, thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data, regardless of the source. Another field where quantum computing is finding applications is banking and finance, to manage credit risk, for high-frequency trading and fraud detection.
The fifth is the virtual reality and augmented reality.
Virtual reality and augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trend: virtual reality VR and augmented reality (AR) and extended reality (AR). VR immerses the user in an environment while AR enhances their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for training. As with Virtual Ship, a simulation software used to train US Navy, Army and Coast Guard ship captains. In 2021, we can expect these forms of technologies being further integrated into our lives, usually working in tandem with some of the other new technologies we've mentioned in this list. AR and VR have enormous potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even rehabilitation after an injury. Either could be used to train doctors to do surgery, offer museum goers a deeper experience, enhance theme parks, or even enhance marketing, as with this Pepsi Max bus shelter.
The seventh is the blockchain. The sixth is the blockchain.
Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from or change. Hence the term chain, because you're making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous blocks is what makes it so secure. In addition, blockchains are consensus-driven, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need a trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. Several industries are involving and implementing blockchain, and as the use of blockchain technology increases, so too does the demand for skilled professionals. From a bird's eye view, a blockchain developer specializes in developing and implementing architecture and solutions using blockchain technology.
The seventh is the Internet of Things, or IoT.
The Internet of Things. Another promising new technology trend: IoT. Many things are now being built with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet and to each other. Hence, the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is the future and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars, and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet.
The eighth is the 5G.
The next technology trend that follows the in-orbit test is 5 grams, where 3 grams and 4 grams technologies have enabled us to browse the internet, use data-driven services, increased bandwidths for streaming on Spotify or YouTube, and so much more. 5 gram services are expected to revolutionize our lives by enabling services that rely on advanced technologies like AR and VR alongside cloud-based gaming services like Google Stadia, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and much more. It is expected to be used in factories, HD cameras that help improve safety and traffic management, smart grid control, and smart retail too.
The last is the cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity might not seem like an emerging technology, given that it has been around for a while, but it is evolving just as other technologies are. That's in part because threats are constantly new. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find ways to get through even the toughest security measures. It's also in part because new technology is being adapted to enhance security. As long as we have hackers, cybersecurity will remain a trending technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers.
That's all. Thank you for listening.